picture of the 2019 Ram 1500 has surfaced on Imgur ahead of its debut at the North American International Auto Show on January 15. Set to battle the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, the redesigned Ram features an all-new front fascia which eschews the truck's crosshair grille. It has been replaced by an all-new unit which features chrome trim and prominent Ram badging. Designers also installed new headlights and an evolutionary front bumper which has an air intake. Moving further back, we can see a bulging hood, smoother bodywork, and a more rounded greenhouse. Previous spy photos have shown the cabin will feature a host of improvements including higher quality materials and a new center stack with a UConnect infotainment system that is flanked by vertical air vents. Drivers will also find a rotary gear selector and updated controls.